If Papa na okwa report Chairman Wuntumi Otumfuo no. I don't know the man's name. Meaning Papa Didi, but Papa na okwa report Chairman Wuntumi Otumfuo. Papa so Philippa say obi e didi Papa tem aye Otumfuo. I believe say ohona so facing back no. Ade so to Chairman Wuntumi so. Papa Chairman Wuntumi any so man.
Yes, so I can't play the whole video show you, and this be fireweight on Tonado release regarding Otumfuo and Chairman Wuntumi issue. No, according to reports, Chairman Wuntumi go vetting. Yeah, the MPP aspirants, he go vetting. I be catching top where go vetting. As he go, where they say go talk things about Otumfuo and things where the chiefs war. Aha, so then someone, the General Secretary, Justice Kodria, say make it bring Chairman Wuntumi. Make you bring gum wherever he did, no. Make you bring gum. So them bo. Whether they talk say campaigns if they not go make it happy unless he come.
As you nyane ha. Adwada. Ono no ba. Oni Maurice Sampao. Any entire management of Wuntumi omumra enim ha. Na for mbe chedi entia Maurice Sampao. Or to be mananano. Now a face management, man is our platform, man ye de away. Me jidi says sentiment dear, and no maybe wa we are any no mraha no me chechim. And ye the best Monday. Now chesene and best a quite be someone fanemra.
Yes, so that be the Kumasi Traditional Council way Charlie them ball cry where they say if they come to make it bring in lawyer Maurice Sampao. And this be what Maurice Sampao talk before into then they talk say make it bring them no.
Ashanti chiefs. In front of Ashanti region. Problems any Yamamuni Otumfuo. Otumfuo cabre. As of Ashanti, I be we are conform to assassin many papa could be answer. It's Yaman for Sika, and Yaman for gas, and Yaman for Yerimo. Yamma Mutia Santi region, I Frubi. And yet to Galamse. It's a money Mudio Atlantic region. When we number the first time to me, I'll catch him out to Nasa. What kind of nonsense is that?
Yeah, so you hear him yourself, Maurice Sampao the talk say, yeah, then they sell lands to multiple people. Then they sleep with people, then my wife, then girls, then things. Way Otumfuo talk and then they listen. So so it be like the thing there, the matter it chop hot but before now they bring you this update. I saw this response from Chairman Wuntumi where they talk say I can never disrespect Otumfuo. I can't insult him because they respect him, and that be what the story they talk. But it be like say still then they expect say for appear for the Kumasi Traditional Council. Them are front. Let's listen to Nana Tonado and what he had to say about this whole brouhaha.
Almost by 2 weeks near. I have people calling me. Edino. Odi Tonado. Nana automatic. Nana change gear. Nana Patakojeko. For the past 2 weeks, people been calling me. Ebise Same. Say Tonado. Na asema o papa. Ana o bra penyin. Aye Chairman Wuntumi. Chairman Wuntumi. Wuntumi kwa also bet to me. Chairman Wuntumi. Wuntumi kwa also bet to me. For the past 2 weeks, in Kofo Frefremi. Ebisa me say, Tonado, Obra, and now Papa Chairman Wuntumi. Ako kasa etia, or Brempon, Otumfuo, or say tutu. Meeting statement, and I'm saying, no. Menya sure pan say, on Yansafu Chairman Wuntumi na minim no.
ebe to me ebie na no akasa etia Otumfuo. No, it's a no. Sure. And yes, I will be against such a amount to be a body. And Wunti, Rebecca in the favor of Chairman Wuntumi. I'm a free thinker. And in my little life, no, I believe, say, Diaudia and Auta. And now say, maybe a senda, and now maybe a no da, any day at all. Meeting way, say, Obi, ever catch me say, and now meeting way. Se mo baby ana me ni obi nya kasakasa na ni pakọ ni bie na no edidi me maame ana me papa atema speed metu ache ni pakọ ne so se me ho nye den kra metu ache ni pakọ ne so se mpentwa ana se kan kwa ne da ha me ba wo apa wuti because there is no way sabet na ho no be disrespect me maame ana me papa iti papa na okwa report e chama Wuntumi Otumfuo no. I don't know the man's name. Meaning Papa Didi. But Papa now call report it Wuntumi Otumfuo. Papa, so Philippa say, Obi did you Papa them I Otumfuo. I believe say, or I so facing Pacono. And then so to shut Wuntumi so. A papa Wuntumi any so mano. I will warn in Pentua. A papa did say, hey, Wuntumi. Now just all your wire. And what Casa Etia Otumfuo. But Emon Papa. One yes, sir. Would be make a report it Wuntumi Otumfuo. Such a Wuntumi Didi Otumfuo atem. Whilst Chama Wuntumi Didi Otumfuo atem ye. It is a woman papa need to say wo. And that's a ho. That's a obi did you parents atem. Now when to be in face park on the moon, who can catch your papa say, Obi did not atem. Not just a papa catch Chama, who can catch Otumfuo say, Chama Wuntumi did not atem. Not just a wood out did Otumfuo atem. Because Otumfuo ni hobby. Otumfuo didn't hear any insults. It won't face Chama Wuntumi now catch Otumfuo say. Chama Wuntumi yano. Not just a papa now report Otumfuo, or report Chama Wuntumi Otumfuo no. That means you are insulting the king. 2. Say kingdom. We have different types of kingdom. Say kingdom. You different types of kingdom. Me tell us about my kingdom. Obia wo wiasin bia, this obia adapt. And now obia we illiterate. And now obia own him anything about kingdom. And I say ye ka kingdom asema. Oh who kingdom asema ye den. Ye ka. Me say over me headquarters anuma. Eh be kingdom. Immediately I will enter Habia, make a say, welcome to my kingdom. Because we feel have a friend of headquarters. If you my welcome you and tell you, say, welcome to my kingdom. Me wadam for sikafo bebre wo hon ma ura mu fear. And that's what sikafo I have normal friends who ura mu fear. All they tell you is, welcome to my kingdom. It is a chama to be kase. On what one the kingdom. On what one the police, on what one the military. I don't see anything wrong with it. But I said, Nkofubia for something personal. Chema want to do in the Mamika Sebicho. Nkofwe minu, I saw you're very careful. Chema want to be Nkofwe minu, but I saw you're very careful. Because there is no way Chema want to be Emekasa, it's here, Yera, Otumfuo. No. Chema want to be will never do that. But when we say Mon, Asem, and I'm going to say, I'm going to Chema want to be. Because of it, Biena, no, Ekase, on what the kingdom, on what the police, on what the military. There is nothing wrong with it. What you say? Inti papa now call report say, Chama Wuntumi Otumfuo no. I think say no, you've gone too far. Because oh baby, no be ya papa and now mommy a who face the park on. But ever from America, enko fie, enko catch your papa say die. Asibe see ya den. Did you what immediately you do that? Not just a who and what could do papa them because papa you did not no ni hobby. Inti say a kingdom. Chama Wuntumi is talking about his own kingdom. And he's not talking about Otumfuo's kingdom. It's a Asantefo and Ghana from a Sremo. Chama Wuntumi, only ya Otumfuo or say to and I own to me, and ya Otumfuo or say to so that. So Chama Wuntumi what tries to make your Otumfuo or say to one. Yen ya able to Yanway day, a good so. Because Otumfuo or say to two, ya any back one, or what Ghana ha, yes, we had no why one, ya don't know. It is a kingdom. People have their own types of kingdoms in their various homes. Into Mujimano, every Chama Wuntumi so. Na only ya Otumfuo. Medama se wo.